Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Viraja and I studied for my JEE exam from Bansal classes Solapur, and I secured 99% in physics subject in JEE. My physics teacher was Vishnu sir, and I really liked his way of teaching, and actually his way of teaching was unique in his own way. He taught us as if we were his younger brothers or friends, and the relationship between us was rather more informal, instead of the conventional formal teacher and student relation, which is there mostly in our schools and all. But in our class, sir used to be very informal, and actually his focus was not on just theory and just finishing the syllabus, or just telling students about theory and making sure that students by heart these things and all, but he taught us in practical way. He made us understand the concept more, instead of making us recite the formulas or definitions and all. He taught us in such way that we never had to recite formulas or definitions, because the I would say practical way of teaching was enough for us to understand the concepts. And he showed us experiments. For example, I would like to share that he showed us experiment about the scattering of light, and also we he showed us the experiment of the way of reflection of spherical mirrors using uh, fog and the lasers. And so we these are some of the experiments, to just to name a few, but we have done many experiments. And he also ensured that we practice a lot, because at the end of the day, just learning things is not enough until and unless we practice them. We used to receive questions from him from HC or Mind daily questions, and they were challenging for us, and we took it positively, and even sir encouraged us to solve them. And whenever we used to have doubts and all, we used to go to him, and he also, like, he used to explain it us in his own way. Instead of going by the book, he used to tell us in more friendly way and in his own way, in short, instead of going by formula, like given to find out formula. Instead of that, he used to explain the question in such a way that we revise those concepts once again. And he used to draw out many parallels from the question and used to modify the questions. And again, we used to brainstorm on the question, and we have done this a lot. For example, we have a question with so and so conditions, then we as a students out of curiosity would ask, sir, what would happen if this would be like that? This thing turned out to be this way. Then how would the result or the outcome of the answer change? And sir has every time encouraged us on creating such new questions, and even he used to sit with us and do such things. So it really developed a sense of liking in the subject of physics. And since learning from him, I actually developed uh, love for physics, I would say. So, in short, whatever I am today in physics, and whatever I have learned from physics is all because of him. And I would say a huge lion's share of my interest in physics would go to Vishnu sir. Thank you.